Here we are at 3098 Spiceland with a vacant lot next door in a quiet neighborhood in Boise with well-tended lawn thanks to this gentleman right here. It is a small lot, so there's no RV parking, and the biggest weakness I see about this house is this somewhat clogged up kitchen entry, in which we have our door, our fridge, which I would immediately change to counter depth to create a little space, and then also this downstairs bathroom here. Going back into 100% view, we have a small yard. This is a 0.06 acre lot, an open floor plan with a galley kitchen and a peninsula. Front door, all LVP is a bonus. 3 bedrooms, plus a flex room that's windowless and interesting, but could be used for whatever. That is right here. The primary suite is spacious and lovely. It backs up to some stuff that may change when a road goes through. Primary has stand-up shower, walk-in closet, soft close, and a split floor plan so that the other bedrooms are pretty far away, and peekaboo view of the mountains. So the other bedrooms are pretty far away from the primary, with a flex space, linen, laundry closet, and a shared bath for these other 2 bedrooms right here. So there we have it. 3 bedroom, 2.5 bathrooms, 1,675 square feet, and 2 stories on 0.06 acres for roughly $430,000. Townhome across from a little tot lot park.